Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video we are going to cover Axie Infinity. It is still leading the play to earn games and is still a solid project. We are going to cover some technical analysis and see how the token is doing it, and we are going to cover the most important news of the last week about Axie Infinity and the project itself. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, at the time of recording it's still at position 37 and the value is $51. Still a good project. You can check here where you can buy the token AXS. And you can see that there are many exchanges that listed this token. So this is super great for a project. Not many even important tokens on the crypto space are listed in so many exchanges. So this is good for the visibility and to make it easier for any people that want to enter and participate in the Axie Infinity governance tokens. In terms of technical analysis, I will start with that. A super simple chart. This started in November 2020, what we are looking. This is daily candles. And this has been an impressive uptrend. Even with these dumps that we have and many other coins from April to June and July, you can see how this recovered and pumped in June after the bottom of Bitcoin. And from there, Axie Infinity did a 4,000% in like just 3-4 months. So this has been a super year for Axie Infinity 2021, and right now, like many other coins, we are in a downtrend from Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. The things to look at here in this chart are this: support and resistance. Like always, that is the most important thing. In this pump you can see how we create these all-time highs at these levels. We have a retracement, and when we broke it, we come back here and tested this as support. So this rectangle was an important pivot point on the price of this token. That happened again here. We break it to the upside, creating a new all-time high, have some trading volume during a couple of days, then we create a new all-time high, and we come back and test it and support once here, twice here, and we are in the third time testing this as support. So this rectangle is similar situation, fractal like this one. This is a very good base for this price action from July of 2021 to the current moment. So two things could happen, of course, here. If we break the support here, this will be around $37. Then there's not much trading volume for this token. We can go maybe some resistance here, support at 28. But if not, we are going to come back here and test this rectangle at $12. To this scenario play out, probably Bitcoin needs to go below $30,000. So we are not expecting to happen. But anyways, that is a possibility. But in terms of a bullish perspective for this token, if we already reach a bottom and if we don't break the $30,000, then we can hang out a little bit more time consolidating in this area of support, and from here creating a new leg up to the upside. So I think for the moment, any buy for the long term inside this rectangle between $50 and $37, it's a good investment for the long term. Of course, put your stop loss if you are doing that, because like I say, if we break 37 for the downside, then it will be bad news for the token. Also, you can see this resistance line that is coming here. So in order to be bullish, first of all, we need to break this resistance trend, where you can see that has been keeping us below 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost 5 times already. So we need to break this trend to the upside and create first a higher low that will be around this area above this $82. From here we may come back and test it and then create another leg up. That will be the best scenario for that. Also, you can break this line of resistance and test it back and then go to the upside. But this is a simple chart on how to visualize what could happen for this token. The game and applications are super great. I didn't play it, it's not my stuff, but I know for other people that has been playing it that is really addictive. Also, the marketplace is super great and has been one of the biggest in terms of NFT trading. And moving into the last news, Axie Infinity sets record-breaking 4 billion in NFT sales. Axie Infinity, the Ethereum-based video game, just made quite a bit of noise this week after the Sky Maves project snagged near 4 billion in all-time NFT revenues. The in-game currency of the play-to-earn pet training universe, AXS, has appreciated by 2,500% against the US dollar during the last 12 months. Now everybody see the chart and we say why I didn't buy on June 2021, for example, right? All these things happen in crypto all the time. Metrics show that there are currently 500,000 AXS token holders, which is, I think, a lot for this kind of project to be one game only. You can see, for example, Cardano just reached over 3 million wallet on February of this year, and this is like a base platform for blockchain applications and projects. So if I compare these 3 million, for example, for Cardano, with this 53,000 for one project, which is a game and a specific game, and not a platform, I think this is a very big amount of user holders right now. And 25,000 owners out of 166 Axies. According to the 24-hour Axie NFT sales numbers, the project has received 2.2 million in transactions from 17,000 buyers. While Axie is third at all time in terms of sales, it is fourth in terms of 24-hour sales and fifth in terms of the previous 7 days. The value of the Metaverse properties has surged in tandem with rising interest in blockchain's virtual world projects such as the Decentraland, the Sandbox, Illuvium, and Axie Infinity. Land in Metaverse, as well as flats, penthouses, and mansions, has been selling from between $4 and $7 million. So also this is something that will continue to increase in the Axie Infinity universe. If you want to make money while you're holding your crypto, then I recommend you to use an automation platform. This is Bitsgap.com, where you can trade with bots automatically while you're holding your crypto. I did 2 videos 2 months ago on how to configure Bitsgap and how to configure everything for your bots. So in that video, I explained in almost 30 minutes how to configure each thing of the platform, and with this video you will be able to start trading with the bot 24 hours. Even if you are sleeping, you will be making money with this, and this works really good also in the downtrend. So right now it's a very good opportunity to use this platform. If you go and register with my affiliate link, you help the channel, but you also get 2 weeks free of this platform with a premium account. The premium account costs $150, so you will have it free for 2 weeks, so you can test it and see how it works. New partnership for Axie Infinity. Bit2Me signed partnership to boost growth in Spain, Portugal, and Latin America. And this is just a news from yesterday, just 5 hours before you are seeing this video. Ko Onosawa, the CEO of Bit2Me, says that Axie Infinity and Bit2Me will work together for a long time. It's not a one-off alliance, it's a for long term. Bit2Me will be one of the Axie exchange's partners for players in Southern Europe and Latin America, and Bit2Me has been recently recognized by the Bank of Spain as a crypto exchange and custodian. So this partnership will trigger a lot of traction for Latin America, Portugal, and Spain. Bit2Me will be one of the Axie exchange's partners for players in Southern Europe and Latin America. Players of the blockchain game will have all advantages offered by the platform, such as a telephone support in Spanish and Portuguese by native Asians, among other aspects. Additionally, Onosawa confirmed that it will provide key support for various Axie Infinity meetups through Latin America and hinted, but did not confirm that Bit2Me could provide advantages with the Axie Infinity ecosystem. So this is a long-time partnership. I will put the link in the description if you want to read it, but this is what the project needs to do: expand the ecosystem, expand the project visibility. Also, Axie Infinity is always ranked in all the 2022 Metaverse and NFT platforms to invest, so continue being in the eye for many investors. And finally, you probably already heard this if you are a fan of Axie Infinity, There was some issues regarding the reduce of SLP emissions to prevent collapse. Concerns around emissions of an in-game token caused failing user numbers and a drastic plunge in SLP prices. If you don't know what SLP is, the players earn smooth love potions, SLP tokens, as rewards, which can be redeemed for in-game features such as breeding new Axies. However, unlike AXS, a governance token that allows holders to take part in decisions for Axie Infinity's future, SLP has an uncapped token supply, meaning there is no limit to how many SLP tokens could exist in the future. This created an unsustainable environment for new players, one that even resulted in user numbers dropping. The Axie economy requires drastic and decisive action now, or we risk total and permanent economic collapse, acknowledged Axie developers in a post. This has been already working on for the developers and the Axie Infinity team, and because this is from early February and the other news that I showed you was just yesterday and this week, you can see that still Axie Infinity has a place of being one of the most played to earn games in the ecosystem for all the crypto market, and it still is a good opportunity if you buy inside this rectangle, hoping that we are near the bottom, of course, putting your stop losses in correct places and managing your risk. Well guys, that is all for this Axie Infinity video. Put your comments below. What do you think about this token? Are you holding it? Are you planning to enter in any of the NFTs of Axie Infinity? Maybe just as an investment for the future, or this project is not in your radar. Please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. Remember to put your comments and follow me at CryptoSeaState in Twitter, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.